Hey guys, Corey here from Sky's the Limit Car Care and Brian Guy from ColourLock. And today we're going to talk all about the ColourLock cleaning products that we carry here at Sky's the Limit Car Care. Brian's going to go over each one of these products, when you would most need each one of them, what their best attributes are, how to use them, and finally any tips and tricks that you might want to know.
We have the three bottles sitting here, but not to be confusing, I think most of the time we're always going to resort to the leather cleaner mild. This is going to be very effective. You can use this on old cars, new cars, and it's always going to be our first step in an aggressive behavior of cleaning. Cleaning can be aggressive to the leather surface, so it's in our best means to be very kind to it. So I'm going to start off with the least aggressive method, which with the leather cleaner mild and a foam brush. And I'm going to use this if I have really well kept up with my steering wheels, my bolsters, any of my leather goods that are really well kept up with. This leather cleaner mild with a foam brush is a perfect amount of aggressiveness / cleaning that's going to be able to be very effective and produce the result. Secondly, if we need to bump that up a little bit, I will take the same leather cleaner and a brush. It's the brush that's going to add a little bit more effectiveness behind the cleaning. So this is going to be extremely effective. 90+% of the time on even, some maybe 4 or 5 year old vehicles, this is more than enough. Now when we get to a point of extreme soiling or very not so well kept up with leathers or dye transfers and things like this, I'm going to go automatically resort to the leather cleaner strong. We can go with the aggressive step with the leather cleaner strong and a foam cube, but most of the time, we already know that we need some aggressive cleaning, so I'm going to go leather cleaner strong and a brush most of the time myself. So that's the cleaners as far as working our way from a cleaning aggressiveness up to a heavy cleaning aggressiveness. And the difference here is that this is a balanced pH that the leather is really liking very much. The leather cleaner strong is a bump up on the pH. It's a 4% increase, and it has also a little mild soap to it, which makes it and gives it a little bit of extra power behind it for cleaning sweats and body lotions and extra soiled areas.
One quick question for you, Brian. If you use the strong, does that mean, because we have this more aggressive pH, does that mean after we use that we need to neutralize with the mild, or are we still safe to go from the strong cleaner directly to one of our protectants?
No, absolutely not. We can go straight from this to a protectant, no problem.
Excellent, thank you.
The leather is still going to receive the benefit from the cleaning. That it's going to be very happy that it's cleaned. It's going to feel really nice, and we don't really need to neutralize this type of pH balance.
Perfect.
So then, for something a little bit of extra, we've cleaned, we've tried everything, and something's not working. We still have maybe some potential dye transfer or some other types of stainings. The next step up from an aggressive cleaning method, and I wouldn't go anything beyond this. Anything beyond this is going to go into the realm of repair.
Beyond this.
On this and the combination with GLD.
Yeah.
So if I needed to go to remove some really heavy dye transfer onto the leather, for example, a white leather, I would basically go over the leather with the GLD, just wiping it on, allowing it to just wipe it evenly on the surface. And then I would follow up with the leather cleaner strong and a brush. And what this is doing is it's helping to expand and open up the top coat so that we can penetrate in and get a little bit deeper through that. The GLD is a solvent, so then this is what is causing it to swell a little. Once we do apply the leather cleaner strong to it, this neutralizes the solvent effect, allowing it to stop its reaction. So, but what it's doing when we're cleaning it is we're getting a little bit deeper into the penetration, allowing us to pull some of that stuff out. If we cannot clean anything beyond that, at this point, we need to consider repairs.
Right. We're already getting into the caution area with
Yeah,
this. Like
correct.
maybe some people should not be using this product.
Correct. We're going into like
it's
the
definitely
yellow
the yellow
hazard.
zone. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So, but excellent. And yeah, that's a quick overview of them. And,
Awesome.
Most of the time we can start here. This is between this and this has been my personal go-to for many years now.
Awesome.
It's very effective.
That's great, Brian. Thank you so much. So let me see if I've got this right for all of our viewers. I'm just going to sum it up really fast. We've got the mild cleaner. With this, that's the most mild and safest way. We're always safe to use that to clean. If we want to get a little more aggressive, we up it with the brush. From there, we can move to the stronger chemical, the strong cleaner, and again, we can keep it safer with this or go straight to this. That's the next step up.
Correct.
And then in the good luck dude category,
Good luck, dude.
yeah, if we can't solve it any other way, then we move to that step right there.
And leather cleaner strong.
Excellent.
And, make this attempt anything, and if that doesn't solve the case, then you can contact us and we can help guide you into the right direction with any other thing else after this.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Brian. It's been great having you here. We really appreciate your help with doing all these videos. I know everybody's gonna love what we've put together for them. If you guys have any other questions or comments, make sure to leave those below. We'll get them answered for you. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure to do so. And that's about all we've got for you today. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.